Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we'll take a look at the Australian dollar. So actually in the recent month Australian dollar looks really strong, so we'll take a look at the FTSE report. You'll see that market shows the increasing of the net long positions of by the speculators. The price is growing, the open interest is growing, so all this stuff indicates the bullish sentiment in Australian dollar. At the same time, the overall speculative positions stands rather far from the final situation, because actually its overall net long position stands approximately the 50,000 contracts, while the ultimate level stands approximately for the 100,000. So it's approximately the halfway to the top on the CFTC data, and it means that this tendency could continue in the nearest future. And that's why in the long-term perspective, the Australian dollar indeed could continue upward action, and next destination point that we see on Australian dollar stands approximately at the 81.65 area. So that's what we have talked about in our weekly research, the monthly analysis and the weekly analysis. But meantime, in the short-term perspective, right now Australian dollar stands at really strong resistance. So this is major 48 weekly resistance level. This is daily and weekly overbought. Also, as you can see, market has completed on the daily chart this AUDUSD pattern that we have discussed in our recent video. And also, guys, actually here we have the large butterfly pattern. So even you could see it on the daily chart, mostly it better visible on the weekly chart. So this is the left wing, this is the right wing, and market also has hit the 127 extension of the butterfly. So as you can see, this area is rather strong resistance, and odds suggest that at least minor respect to this area should happen. So minor means usually at least the 3-8 retracement of the most recent swing of the butterfly in the AUDUSD pattern. As you can see on the daily chart here, we have the confidence support 77.30, and it's also very close to the daily oversold. So this is normal reaction when the market stands at the overbought on the weekly. Retracement could hit the oversold on the daily. This is normal. So something of that sort. So market hits the overbought and drops significantly lower, so almost hits the oversold area. So this is very probable. And again, here it's oversold, deep retracement almost to the overbought area. So that's why, as the major level that we will be watching for is a potential target of this retracement, this is 77.30, 77.36 confidence support on the daily chart. So to trade this setup, we need some pattern that could trigger the downward action. So within the previous sessions on the Thursday and Friday, we have discussed some intraday patterns, but they were really too short term. So they mostly was standing on the 60-minute chart, on the 30-minute chart. This was the very tactical patterns for immediate trading, triple to sell patterns. But to trigger this significant action, we need some pattern on the greater scale. And one thing that we see right now, honestly, to say we see nothing else, but what we really see right now on the 4-hour time frame charts, you can see this is double repo sell pattern. So we have thrust up, close below 3x3, close above, and close below. That's confirmed double repo sell pattern. Now market stands at the minor retracement up, and you can see how 3x3 envelop this upside retracement. So following this pattern, this target, the minimum target of the double repo stands approximately at 77.80. It doesn't mean that market can't continue move lower, but this just indicates the level that should be reached with a high probability. And you can see that 77.80 stands very close to daily confidence support. It's just 40 pips difference. Here, guys, we have some interruption of the thrust, but I think that we could ignore it because by two reasons. First of all, actually, guys, here was double repo failure. So you can see thrust up, close below, close above, close below. Market wasn't able to continue move down, and market skyrocketed. This is double ripple failed. But the major reason why we should not take it into consideration, because actually, guys, this is not even the 3-8 retracement of this first up. So it was very small minor retracement that has not led to closing of the long positions. So all steam still stands in the pot. So all long positions that have been opened before this acceleration, they are still stand on the market. And you can see this market accelerated further, and it means that more positions have been added here. So there's no profit taking has happened, and it means that the whole upside action we could treat is a single thrust up. That's why I think that this double ripple could work. Maybe later it will shift to some other pattern. Currently it's difficult to foresee, but right now we have the Napoli directional bearish pattern that gives a hint on the possible action to this area. That is what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. On the hourly chart, we have a bit shorter term setup that we actually discussed and even have traded. So if you remember, our first trade was here. That was the on the 15-minute chart. This was the garbage triple to sell pattern. Second pattern that we've got, this happened here. This also was garbage triple to sell drop down. ABCD retracement. This was the short position I have made an update yesterday in a thread dedicated to our daily video. So this is the chart of this setup. Take a look that here we have some important moments. First of all, it's really fast acceleration down, especially here. It's very fast drop. This bottom stands at 127 extension of this swing, right? And if you will calculate the 1618 extension of the first swing and 127 of this last one, you could see that they coincide in a tight range approximately 788.60. This usually happens when the 3-drive buy pattern is forming here. And here you could see the market could take the shape of the butterfly. This is just a suggestion, just how it could be, one of the possible scenarios. In this case, will be the destination point of our short-term trading. So if you have the shorts based on this garbage triple to sell or that garbage triple to sell, that's the destination point for this trade. It's approximately 7,860. Also, as I said yesterday, it's better to move the stops to the break-even. It should be done actually before the weekend, as you understand. So, as the 3-drive will be completed, that could trigger some minor retracement here. Maybe some greater bearish pattern will be formed. For example, it could become large A, B, C, D pattern that will lead market precisely to 7730 target, something of that sort. But as soon as the 3-drive will be completed, market could show some retracement as a result of the completion of this, because this is actually a bullish pattern. And that could let us chance to take the position on larger short-term, larger bearish setup that we have on the 4-hour time frame and on the daily time frame. So that's our trading plan for coming week. So if you have bearish positions based on these patterns that we have traded on last week, then you could keep it when the market will complete this 3-drive. If you do not have any bearish position, in this case, you better wait when the market will complete this 3-drive. We'll start some reasonable retracement up, and that let us chance to take the short position if our overall setup still will be valid. So maybe will be some greater pattern will be formed that will let us to take the position with the final destination point on the 7730 area. So that's what we see right now on the Australian dollar.